Former boxing champion, popularly known as the Rose of Soweto, Dingaan Thobela, has sadly passed away after battling an illness. He was reported to be 57 years old, and he was actually found in his apartment by his family after they struggled to get a hold of him. So they tried to get a hold of him, and because he apparently lived alone, they could not get hold of him on the phone. They then went to the police station and asked the police to accompany them to his apartment, and that's where they found his body. It is also reported that he has been recently struggling with health issues which prevented him from attending certain events. We would like to say RIP, rest in peace, Dingaan Thobela. Truly a tree has fallen within South Africa. And you know what, guys, it truly is so sad whenever I hear the stories of people passing away in their homes or wherever they stay alone. I remember there was an actress, similar case like this. She reported in at work that she had a headache and she was sent home, and her family did not hear from her. And I wish in some way we could tell people to surround themselves at least with family members, especially when they're not feeling well, so that even when such tragic events happens, the family's not blaming themselves or feeling like they could have done better for the fact that this person could have, was struggling on their own and died on their own. And it really is quite sad. But anyway, we all have our due dates with death. And yeah, please do make sure, guys, that you like this video before exiting it. Please also do subscribe. It is for free of charge, and I will see you on the next one.